Hello dear friends, today we can discuss some important multiple choice questions from OBG for staff nurse examination Kerala PSC. Minor disorders of pregnancy are the following except morning sickness, heartburn, constipation, hyperemesis gravidarum. Correct answer is hyperemesis gravidarum. Minor disorders of pregnancy. Other morning sickness, heartburn, constipation are minor disorders of pregnancy. Hyperemesis gravidarum is a pregnancy complication that is characterized by severe nausea, vomiting, weight loss, and possibly dehydration. Feeling pain may also occur. A severe type of nausea and vomiting during pregnancy, that is hyperemesis gravidarum. Cochet's forceps is used in case of cervical dilatation, to catch hold the cervix, to measure the depth of uterus, artificial rupture of membranes. Correct answer is artificial rupture of membranes. Cochet's forceps is used in case of artificial rupture of membranes. Cochet's artery forceps used during surgery to compress the artery, clamp and seal blood vessels, or hold the artery out of the way. Spalding sign is overlapping of fetal cranial bone, probable sign of pregnancy, a soft blowing sound, a sign of healthy living child. Correct answer is overlapping of fetal cranial bones. Spalding sign is overlapping of fetal cranial bone. The Spalding sign refers to the overlapping of the fetal skull bones caused by collapse of the fetal brain. It appears usually a week or more after fetal death in utero. So Spalding sign usually occur death of fetus in uterus. There will be overlapping of the fetal skull bones caused by collapse of the fetal brain. A normal vaginal pH level is between 1.8 to 2.1, 6.2 to 8, 3.8 to 4.5, 2.5 to 3.5. Correct answer is 3.8 to 4.5. A normal vaginal pH level is between 3.8 to 4.5. pH of sperm is 5.2 to 8.2. pH of blood about 7.35 to 7.45. pH of urine range is 4.5 to 8. So all these pH you have to by heart. Implantation of ovum occurs on the 4th day, 6th day, 3rd day, 8th day. Correct answer is 8th day. Implantation of ovum occurs on the 8th day. In humans, implantation is the stage of pregnancy at which the embryo adheres to the wall of the uterus. However, this can range between 6 and 12 days. Implantation or pregnancy stage in which the embryo adheres to the wall of the uterus. Embryo wall of the uterus തങ്ങി നിൽക്കുന്ന അവസ്ഥയാണ്. However, this can range between 6 and 12 days. HELLP syndrome is a complication of PPH, hyperemesis gravidarum, preeclampsia, postpartum depression. Correct answer is preeclampsia. HELLP syndrome is a complication of preeclampsia. HELLP syndrome is a group of symptoms that occur in pregnant women who have hemolysis, the breakdown of red blood cells, EL means elevated liver enzymes. LP, that means low platelet count. H, E, L and LP. That is, H means hemolysis, EL means elevated liver enzymes, LP means low platelet count. That is HELP syndrome. Usually untreated preeclampsia cause HELP syndrome. There is a chance of occurring eclampsia also. Preeclampsia is complicated with convulsion or coma, that is eclampsia. There may be convulsion in the patient, that is eclampsia. HELP syndrome, hemolysis, elevated liver enzymes, low platelet count is associated with is the complication of preeclampsia. Infertility in male around 10 to 20%, 20 to 30%, 30 to 40%, 40 to 50%. Correct answer is 40 to 50%. Infertility in male around 40 to 50%. Uterus is located behind the kidneys, bladder, pancreas, sigmoid colon. Correct answer is bladder. Uterus is located behind the bladder and in front of the sigmoid colon. Uterus is located in front of the sigmoid colon and it is situated in the pelvic cavity. Uterus is located behind the bladder in front of the sigmoid colon and it is located in the pelvic cavity. It is a pear-shaped organ. Uterus is a pear-shaped organ. Post-maturity is a word to describe babies born after 37 weeks, babies born after 42 weeks, babies born after 38 weeks, babies born before 37 weeks. Correct answer is babies born after 42 weeks, that is post-maturity. An average normal pregnancy in weeks, it is 40 weeks and 280 days. That is the normal pregnancy period, 40 weeks or 280 days. Babies born before 37 weeks, that is prematurity. Babies born before 37 weeks, that is prematurity. Babies born after 42 weeks, that is post-maturity. Normal around 40 weeks, that is 280 days. Born before 37 weeks, that is prematurity. A common temporarily psychological of woman state right after birth: baby blues, PPD, postpartum depression, PPS, postpartum psychosis, panic attack. Correct answer is baby blues. That is the normal temporarily psychological state right after birth of woman. It will extend only 1 to 2 weeks, maximum 2 weeks. The mother may have anxiety or mild depression. PPD means postpartum depression, that is more severe than baby blues. It will extend few months. Mother may have severe depression or severe anxiety. Postpartum psychosis is very rare. Some mother may have hallucination or delusions, that is postpartum psychosis. Panic attack is not common in after delivery. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share this video to your friends. If you not subscribe our channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.